Shalom! Welcome to my channel. Today's look is a birthday glam look. This is going to be for my 20th birthday, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright, I've already put my base on. I have my primer and foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I'm going to be putting my concealer on, which is the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Beige. This is like getting too light for me now because I'm a little tan baby, but I'm still going to use it because I don't have any other choice. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I'm not gonna be doing my forehead anymore because your girl has a 5 head, and I found out that just not putting concealer on top makes it look a little smaller when I'm contouring it. And we're gonna be setting this concealer with my Airspun powder. Oh yes, Flashback Mary has arrived. Nose. And we're just going to be baking a little bit. We're going to be starting the eye look now, so I have powder underneath, so if there's any fallout from the shadows, I can just easily brush it off. We're setting with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Okay, so we are going to be using the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. The first color we're going to go in with is Love Letter, and it's a really nice like fuchsia pink. Because I like being extra. We all know that though. Make sure to really diffuse the edges. Now that that is all blended out, I'm going to be going in with Venetian Red right into the crease. Pack that in. I really like to look like I have pink eye, if you haven't noticed. Okay, that is all blended out. So now we're going to switch palettes. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Prism. Don't mind the top. I know it's a disgrace. It got ruined in my luggage, okay? I'm sorry. So we're gonna cut this into a halo eye. Okay, I'm using my sharp tape. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we are gonna be going and cutting the crease. We're gonna go in with the shade Throne, which is a nice little bright green. I think it'll look pretty because I have green eyes. I think it'll make them pop. Alright, it's turning out more blue than I thought it would, and I'm okay with that, but just so we both know, so we're on the same page. I did use a green. Oh, why? It's coming out like this. We are going to be going in with Venetian Red again to blend that out. And it's really important that we like blend in because we don't want this to be muddy. There's just a bunch of colors thrown around. It's really easy to make it look muddy. Kind of look like a gumdrop fairy. Okay, we're going to be going in with Obsidian now and really smoking that out. And I'm going to be putting that around Throne. I don't work with black colors a lot because I feel like they make my eyes look a little weird, but you know, I'm feeling risky. I just think I can do it. Alright. I just sprayed Max Fix Plus on top of Throne. I really wanted to have a more metallic shine to it, so I'm going to be packing that on. We're just going to be packing that on top. This came out a little bit more vampy than I wanted it to, but the green is really popping, and I like the colors that are all blended together. It's a little bit more vampy than I wanted it to be, but we're working with it. You know, I got this. It's my birthday. I can do what I want to. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing the same exact look on the other eye, and I will see you in a second. Alright, I've already done the other eye off camera, so I'm going to be going with my lashes now and using the Eyelure in Marquise lashes. Alright, I have put on my lashes. I'm going to be going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. We're going to be starting on the cheekbones, going to be giving this egghead some angles. Pushy face. And I really want it to be concentrated near the temple. Okie dokie. Alright, now we're going to be bronzing the forehead. I need my 5 head. I want it to be a forehead. Blend that down in the neck. We want everything to be even. I did not want to use blush today. I wanted this to be more of a bronzy look, so I'm going to be cutting the cheeks with my loose face powder, and it's going to give it more of a sharper look. I look like I have like a little Coke beard. We do not use Coke in this household. We snort translucent powder every day though. Cutting the cheekies. Okay, we're gonna wait for that to bake for a couple more minutes. Okay, we're just gonna brush it off now. Now I have a much more angular face. All right, we're gonna be going in with our highlighting portion now. I'm using the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. It has a lot more pink shades, and I think that's what this look needs. And I'm gonna be using Marshmallow, which has more of a gold undertone, and Starburst, which has more of a pink undertone. Yes! I love to glow. I love to be a glow donut. A glazed glow nut. A glazed glow nut. Oh, yes. I want you to be able to see me from 20 feet away because I'm glowing. I'm brighter than the sun. We're gonna be going in with Marshmallow in the inner corner. And underneath the brow bone. All right, we are all glowed up. I'm gonna be completing the under eye look now. And we're just gonna be using the same shades we used up top. And for the lower lashes, we're gonna be using the Arbonne mascara. Everyone looks weird doing their lower lash line, right? It's not just me. Finally, we are almost done. We're gonna be using the MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick to finish off the look. I always feel like Kim Possible when I just do my top lip because she only has like one singular lip. We're gonna set this. All right, this is the finished look. I'm feeling extra AF, but who cares? It's my birthday and I can be extra if I want to. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure if you liked it, you can give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I will see you next time.